Well, today's court hearing was to decide if the lower court should reverse their dismissal in the case. Now it's in the hands of the state Supreme Court. Today's arguments were a last-ditch effort to get the state's highest court to reverse that Tulsa judge's decision. In July of 2023, you'll remember a Tulsa County judge dismissed the lawsuit seeking reparations for the 1921 Tulsa Race Massacre. The suit was dismissed with prejudice, meaning it's dismissed and cannot be retried. But today, attorneys argued to the state Supreme Court they should reverse that dismissal. The last two known survivors of the Tulsa Race Massacre, Leslie Benningfield Randall and Viola Ford Fletcher, both 109 years old, had what attorneys say could be their last day in court. Attorneys today arguing to Oklahoma's highest court the last two known survivors should continue their fight and allow the Tulsa District Court to move this case forward. Demario Solomon Simmons, representing the two survivors, brought up claims that the defendants, City of Tulsa, were never held accountable for the massacre, and the massacre created an ongoing public nuisance and left the neighborhood of Greenwood blighted. He also argued his clients have been and continue to suffer from it, and they say this was a last-ditch effort to move the case forward. However, attorneys representing the city and county of Tulsa acknowledge the tragedy of the massacre, but say they lack standing for their public nuisance claim. They also say the issues point to inequality, but they aren't a public nuisance.
However, for the men and women who survived and stayed, the end of the massacre was also the beginning of another story. And it's a story that should not go unacknowledged, and it is important here in light of this ongoing public nuisance argument.
And we are at the pleading stage. We heard a lot of testimony and facts that really shows, again, why we need discovery in this case.
In their briefing, Chief, counsel for the appellants claimed Greenwood was never rebuilt after the Tulsa Race Massacre. While in line with their claims, this assertion is simply not supported by history.
That because of the blight in Greenwood that they created during the massacre and is continuing to this day, is inhibiting or causing harm to the health, safety, comfort, and repose of the survivors in the Greenwood community. That is our duty at the pleading stage. That's where we are.
And attorneys in this case say they are hopeful, but ultimately it is up to the state Supreme Court, and now we just wait for a decision. Reporting live in Oklahoma City, Megan Mosley, KOCO 5 News.